Hello everybody, Ben here from Nova Music Center, and today I have with me this really cool Fender Ultra Series Telecaster. This is their Sunburst model, very pretty. So what Fender has been doing on these Ultra Series guitars is they've added an S1 switch here. They've also been adding some body contouring to get a little closer up to your body, and they've made this bevel here so that you can get your hand up for better fret access. On this guitar they also put Fender locking tuners on here. They're absolutely gorgeous. I really can't say one bad thing about this guitar. It's got the noiseless pickup, so it handles that very well with higher gain stuff and whatnot. It sounds really good. So I'm going to go ahead and take you through the pickup sound so you can hear that clean and dirty. S1 switch down. So here it is back in the bridge position with some dirt on it. Here it is in the middle position with some dirt. S1 switch engaged. I love that sound. Here it is in the neck position. Now I'm just going to bounce between the pickups and a lead tone so you can hear the variation there. Thank you guys so much for clicking on the video today and checking it out. Hope you enjoyed the playthrough and the demo and everything. If you like these videos, hit that like button, subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. And if you're ever in our area in Manassas, Virginia, we'd love to see you. We're in Old Town Manassas. Alright, have a good one.